What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to log out of Facebook from all devices. Whether you're using Facebook on desktop or mobile, these steps will ensure you can log out from anywhere, keeping your account safe and secure. Logging out from all devices is essential if you've accessed Facebook from a public computer, lost your phone, or simply want to ensure your account security. This process will disconnect your account from devices you might have forgotten about or no longer use. Start by launching the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon, usually located at the lower right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Scroll down to the bottom of your profile page. You'll find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it to expand this section. In the expanded menu, you will see the Settings option. Tap on it to access your main account settings. Within Settings, look for the Account Center menu. It's usually at the top. Tap on it to proceed. In the Account Center, look for and select Password and Security. This section deals with the security aspects of your account. Inside the Password and Security settings, find the Where You Logged In option. This will show you a list of all the devices where your Facebook account is currently logged in. If you see multiple devices, you can either choose specific devices to log out from, or use the Select Devices to Log Out option to log out from multiple devices simultaneously. After selecting the devices, tap on Log Out. You will receive a confirmation prompt. Confirm your decision to proceed with logging out. You'll get a notification confirming that you have successfully logged out from the selected devices. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Facebook account is logged out from any device that you no longer use or have access to. This is a great practice for maintaining the security of your account. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.